Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. This is Miss Sidra Iqbal, visiting faculty member of the Department of History and Arts, Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Bank Road Campus, Lahore. I am here with the course title of Economic History of Pakistan for the program of Masters of History, which course code is HIST 4118. In the series of the industrial development in Pakistan, today we are going to discuss the Southern Punjab embroidery industry. Southern Punjab embroidery industry is a joint venture project of private sector and Pakistan Industrial Development Corporation. The company was established to promote and facilitate the continuous growth of the hand and machine made embroidery industry to enhance the export of such product. ये कंपनी जो है वो इस्टेब्लिश की गई थी टू प्रमोट करने के लिए और फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए एक जो मुसलसल ग्रोथ थी हाथ और मशीन की। जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी का काम होता है वो हाथ से भी होता है और मशीन से भी होता है, तो इस इंडस्ट्री को इन्हांस करने के लिए और ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोर्ट होती हैं, इसके लिए इसको प्रमोट और स्केल करने फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए जो है कंपनी इस्टेब्लिश की गई। द कंपनी सपोर्ट्स द एम्ब्रॉयडरी सेक्टर एट लार्ज इन अपग्रेडिंग स्किल। कंपनी जो है वो एक बड़े पैमाने पर जो है वो सपोर्ट करती थी डेवलपमेंट, diversification of hand and machine made embroidery products, technical advice, etc. एक हुनर एक नगर। आहन एक हुनर एक नगर is operating as a not for profit company since 2007। एक हुनर एक नगर जो है वो नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट कंपनी है जो कि तकरीबन पूरे 2007 से ऑपरेट कर रही है। IT इज अ सब्सिडरी ऑफ पाकिस्तान PIDC, पाकिस्तान इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन, under administrative control of Ministry of Industries and Production। आहन एक हुनर एक नगर, एक हुनर एक नगर aim to create non-traditional employment opportunities in rural areas by adopting and indigenizing the one village one product WOP concept of Japan and one Tambon one product OTOP of Thailand. The primary objective is to alleviate poverty in rural and semi-urban areas of Pakistan by supporting rural-based micro and small enterprises engaged in the production of non-farm goods. Pakistan Chemical and Energy Sector Skills Development. Pakistan Chemical and Energy Sector Skills Development Company was incorporated as a non-profit public-private partnership in 2009. The purpose of the company is to promote, facilitate and provide education and training to a young and growing rural population in various disciplines of the chemical and energy sectors in Pakistan. Its aim is to provide employment and invest in the productivity of locals for industrial development by establishing vocational education and training colleges, technical training colleges and management schools. Electricity, gas. Pakistan has extensive energy resources like electricity, gas and water supply. Pakistan has extensive energy resources including fairly sizable natural gas reserves, some proven oil reserves, coal. Pakistan has the largest coal reserve in the world and a large hydropower potential. However, the exploitation of energy resources has been slow due to the shortage of capital and domestic political constraints. Domestic petroleum production totals only about half the country's oil needs, and the need to import oil has contributed to Pakistan's trade deficits and past shortage of foreign exchange. The current government has announced that privatization in the oil and gas privatization of the oil and gas sectors is a priority as in the substitution of indigenous gas for imported oil, especially in the production of power. Pakistan is a world leader in the use of compressed natural gas for personal automobiles. गैस जो है वो घरों में पकाने के मतलब पकाने के लिए भी यूज़ होती है, फिर गाड़ियों में भी। उसके अलावा जो है अगर हम देखें तो यूजेज ऑफ गैस जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा, ख़ास तौर पे हर सर्दियों में भी हीटर गीज़र इन सारी और बहुत सारी कंपनीज में यूज़ होती है, बड़ी बसेस में गैस यूज़ होती है। ये जो छोटी व्हीकल्स होती हैं, पर्सनल व्हीकल्स, The short-term national energy demand has expanded significantly since 2001 due to massive rise in sales of durable goods like refrigerator, washing machines, split air conditioners. In 2004, Access Group International announcement plans to invest $1 billion announced plan to invest $1 billion over the next 5 years in solar cell manufacture and wind farms. MOUs have been signed with the Alternate Energy Development Board in early 2005. The government approved a 25-year energy security plan to boost electric capacity eightfold. The Canadian conglomerate Cathay Oil and Gas signed a memorandum of understanding in late 2006 to invest $5 billion in oil and gas exploration, development, production, and commercialization in Pakistan. The World Bank The World Bank estimate that it take about 32 days only to get an electrical connection in Pakistan. The Federal Bureau of Statistics provisionally valued this sector at Rs 2,15,662 million in 2005, thus registering over 62% growth since 2000. Automotive industry. Pakistan's automotive industry is the one of the fastest growing industry of the country, accounting for 4% of Pakistan's GDP and employing a workforce of over 18 lakh people. Currently, there are over 3,200 automotive manufacturing plants in the country, with an investment of $92 billion, 560 US 560 million, producing 1.8 million motorcycles and 2 lakh vehicles annually. Its contribution to the national exchequer in nearly $5 billion, 3 million US dollars. The sector as a whole provides employment to 3.5 million people, and plays a pivotal role in promoting the growth of the window industry. Pakistan's auto market is considered among the smallest but fastest growing in South Asia. Over 180,000 cars were sold in the fiscal years 2004 to 15, rising to the 2,06,777 units fiscal year 2015 to 16. This is an old data. Please verify before publish. Oh, sorry. एक्चुअली ये डाटा जो जहाँ से मैंने लिया था, तो इसलिए मैंने ये थोड़ा मेंशन भी कर दिया कि बेसिकली क्योंकि ये 2015 टू 16 तक का डाटा है। तो अगर आप इसको किसी मतलब असाइनमेंट में या फिर आप अपने किसी आर्टिकल में अगर ये चीज़ मेंशन करते हैं तो इसको दोबारा से आपको वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा। माइनिंग एंड क्वायरिंग, मेजर reserves of copper and gold in Balochistan's Rikodic area have been discovered in early 2006. The Rikodic mining area has proven estimated reserves of 2 billion tons of copper and 20 million ounces of gold. According to the current market price, the value of the deposits have been estimated at about $65 billion, which would generate thousands of jobs. Fuel extraction industry. Pakistan's first oil field was discovered in the late 1952 in Balochistan near a Gant gas field at Sui in Balochistan. The Todd oil field was discovered in the early 1960s, Islamabad in the Punjab. Production has steadily increased since then. Pakistan's first gas field was the Gant gas field at Sui in Balochistan, which was discovered in the late 1952. Pakistan is also a major producer of bituminous coal, subbituminous coal and lignite. Coal mining started in the British colonial era and has continued to be used by Pakistani industries after independence in 1947. Pakistan produced about 45 tons of uranium in 2006. Cement industry, good domestic market with high demand from construction industry. Cement industries are mostly located in near limestones. Ridges, for example, Attock, Rawalpindi, now here etc. Good. Thank you, students. I hope you can understand. Now, if you have any question, you can ask me anytime. I hope you can understand the figures of the industrial development, which I tried to explain it as possible